Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to talk about, continue talking about 3-6B. If you want to copy from H16 through L16, you need to place the cursor on H16 and then go up here to copy, left click on the copy, and then go to L16 and go to paste, left click on the paste, and then it's already copying. So if you want to have the dotted line go away, you need to hit escape, then the dotted line goes away. On employers, OASDI tax would be the same as the employees, $121.90, and on the Medicare taxes would be the same as the employer taxes too. So employers OASDI, you can do a calculation equal to F16, which is the OASDI taxable earnings times the 0.062, 6.2%, and then the HI tax for employer would be F16, would be H16, H16 times, J16, sorry, J16 times 0.0145%. Okay, so our employer OASDI tax is $121.90, and employer HI Medicare tax is $28.51, same as the employees too. Let's go back to the 3-8B. Let's read the question first. 3-8B is Gregory Parker was paid salary $74,700 during 2013 by Hamburger Company. In addition, during the year, Parker started his own business as a public accountant and reported a net business income of $38,900 on his tax return for 2013. Computer foreign. So before he worked as a public accountant on his Schedule C, he worked for the Hamburger Company and get a salary of $74,700. So the OASDI would be equal to, I have the J8 equal to G9. G9 is this one, 74,000 times the 0.062%. So it's 6.2%. So equal to G9 times 0.062, 6.2%. And the Medicare tax would be equal to, Medicare has no cap on it, so it will be equal to G9 times 0.0145%. So he gets his net business income. His net income was 50,000. So we need to, on the OASDI, we need to compare the salary that he got with the cap. Okay, so J12 equal to the cap minus the G9, which is a salary 74,700 times the 12.4%. Why is this 12.4%? Because he is the employee and his employer by himself too, so he has to pay 12.4%, not 6.2% anymore for the business net income. So on J12 equal to the cap minus G9, which is his salary, close bracket, times 0.124, 12.4%. And then on the Medicare, he needs to pay the all. There's no cap, so he needs to pay G13 times the 1.45%, 0.145%, 0.145, which is 1.45%. Okay, we finished 3-8B. We go back to the question for 3-9B. 3-9B, Haggerty Company is salaried employees monthly on the last day of the month. Annual salary payroll for 2013 follows. Compute the following for payroll of December 31st. This is an annual salary for Myra. So we need to take the E12 divided by 12 months for the annual for the weekly salary for the December 31st. Okay, so we need to divide it by 12 months, and then we copy this formula through G14 only. Why is it G14? Because on G15, Alan, for his annual salary, $161,280 already exceeding the cap. Okay, he has already exceeding the 113,700, 113,700. So he does not need to pay. He does not have the OASDI taxable wages and does not need to pay the OASDI tax too. But then on the HI tax, he needs to pay the HI tax, the Medicare tax. So it will be E15 times the 0.0145, 1.45%. Okay. Oh, for this one is annual, so I need to calculate. I need to divide it by 12 months. So for E15 divided by 12 months, because we are calculating December 31st only, so, and then times the 1.45%. Okay. And we need to copy this formula, hit the copy, and then go down to here and drag on, hit enter, then you copy all the formula from this one to from the G14 through to G16 through G21. Okay, and OASDI would be G12 times 0.062, and then you drag down the formula to drag down. Oh no, you go back here. Okay, you drag down the formula to I14 only. Okay, and then you copy from I14 to I16 through I21. Okay, and then HI Medicare equal to E12 divided by 12 months times 0.0145. Then you drag down the formula, and then you copy this K14 to K16 through K21. And we need to sum up all the taxable wages, OASDI taxable wages, SUM, open bracket, G12, dot G21, close bracket, hit enter. Then this one you need to copy because this is the formula using the G22 because it has rounding error in here. So it's not accurate, so you need to copy from the top. Myra, I12 through I21. Okay, so sum of I12 dot I21. So there's no asterisk anymore. So this one is the same, sum K12 K21, okay. So, and the employer OASDI would be, the 37,967 and 51 cents. This G22 times the 6.2% equal G22 times 0.062. Okay, so, and then the employer's HI, the employer Medicare tax would be since the Medicare tax, tax has no cap on it, so it will be the E22 equal E22 times 0.0145, 1.45%. Hold on. Oh, this one is, I have to divide it by 12 too, because this is annual, so I have to divide it by 12. Because we only calculate December 31st, okay? We only calculate December 31st, one payment only, so, okay? So we have finished 3.3-9B. Thank you for watching.